The Lassoo tool. Now this has got a subsection of different tools which we'll look at in a second, but let's go for the freehand lasso to start with. You can soften the edge of the selection that you make by putting a value in the feather box here, but I'm going to stick to 0 feathers at the moment and select this bird here. So the freehand lasso tool, if you click and drag, you can just select a rough area. When you let go of that, it automatically completes the selection, so you have to keep the mouse held down to use the freehand lasso tool. Then we can go to edit and copy to copy the selected area, then edit and paste, and then choose the move tool, and we've copied that bird there. So that's one application of the freehand lasso tool, but it's very hard to use for accurate selection. A more accurate lasso tool, if we click and hold down, is the polygonal lasso tool. Now here we could select this elephant's trunk perhaps. Give it a go. Command plus to zoom in. Now this works by, as you click, it places a point, and then you can actually draw the next point with the next click, but it's up to you when you place that. So if I click there, that's the second point. You can see there that it's like a bit of elastic between two nails, and you're placing the nails around the area that you want to select. And I can let go of the mouse. Look, no hands, we can't see that, but it doesn't complete the selection until you're ready. So it's a bit more controllable than the freehand lasso tool. So I'm just clicking to place these points, and then when we get to the end here, click at the very beginning, and the selection is complete. So we can then go to edit, copy, edit, paste if we wanted to have two trunks. Which we don't really, but you can see there how the polygonal lasso tool will work. Okay, right, I'm going to delete that layer because obviously we don't really need an extra trunk like that, so let's just drag it to the bin. Now in Photoshop 7 you've got this amazing magnetic lasso tool, which is much more useful than the other two for selecting complex shapes. So let's go to the elephant layer and let's just have a look at this baby in action. Right, just click, put your first point down, and as you just move, it seems to follow the shape automatically, and it's laying down points as we go. If I go outside here, it's just literally clinging to the elephant there. It's spotting the difference in pixel values between the grass and the elephant. You have to give it a hand here with the trunk. So if I just click at the end of the trunk here, see it's getting a little confused there. Click. So I've placed a point myself now, and then we're going back to the end here, and so I'm actually guiding it around the tusk, which is more complicated. The moment we get back to here again, there's quite a contrast between the trunk and the grass, so it's actually finding the trunk itself. Now this is absolutely amazing, and to do this freehand would be very difficult. It would take you ages, but I'm just literally doing this in real time. I'm dragging up and I'm selecting the elephant here. I'm going to go up round the ear, and to do this in any other way, even using paths, would take much longer. So this magnetic lasso tool is an amazing invention. Get to the beginning again, click, and there you go, there's the selection. So we can then edit and copy the elephant's head and paste that somewhere else. Okay, those are your lasso tools.